Hey guys, hello and welcome to Mad. In this video, I thought to make a scenery using Infinite Painter app. At first, I have an idea to draw a flying bird, so I will draw a basic sketch of a flying bird at first and then let's see where does it go. To draw the basic sketch, I am using a pencil. You can draw any other brushes. Infinite Painter offers you a plenty of brushes. So my flying bird sketch is ready. Now I am taking the paint roller brush to add colors. So after add the colors, I will do the blending. You can check my blending tutorial video where I have shared the 4 different ways of blending using Infinite Painter app. I will use my old school blending method, that is I am taking the blending option and I have taken paint roller brush as a blending brush. So my flying bird is ready. Now I have an idea. Let's draw a bird sitting on a branch. Here comes the technique. Duplicate the layer on which you are working right now. I mean the layer where I have drawn the flying bird. Now take the select option and then I will transform the layer. I will just rotate the bird, and as I planned the bird will be sitting on a branch, so I will erase the wings and also the legs, which will be hiding with some flowers or leaves of the branch. Otherwise the technique is same. I will blend the bird wings. I will transform the birds into a position that I want. Let's do the background. For the background I am using the same paint brush as a color brush and also as the blending brush. So my background is ready and right now I am going to draw the branches. For that I am using the same paint brush, paint roller. If you ever check my previous video, you may know that I love to use paint roller brush as a color brush and as a blending brush also. I just have to pick colors and it gives me a very good result. Sometimes after using the paint roller brush, I use soft hair brush to smooth the blending. So my branches are ready, and now I will adjust my birds into their right positions. Let's draw some flowers. My sitting bird is sitting in the bunches of flowers. So I am taking my own flower brush to make the bunch of flower. This flower paint brush was created by me earlier, and I have shared the brush link in my previous video's description box. One thing you can do, you can check out my previous videos, or you can go and check out my brush tutorial playlist where I have put all my brush making videos together. You can go and watch the videos to know how to make the brushes in Infinite Painter app, or you can simply download the brushes if you want. It is available for free. You can simply download the brushes and install and use it. So that's it. If you find my video is supportive, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification. Like the video, share it, and hey, don't forget to comment about your experience on digital art. Thank you, stay healthy. See you in the next video.